I'm always doing cold start videos of the Bronco. Get the batteries out of it. Being this has a bad battery in it, I'm kind of splitting them between my F150 and the Bronco. And I'm not really too worried about it right now because the Bronco is such a gas hog. Not that this is any better. This thing is a pain to get started. This is worse than what a Bronco would be. Here we go. Here we go. I think it needs an idle air motor. I think it's finally just crapped out. I think it should run now. I don't know. This thing's always been a pain to get started. You know, you'd think that it's fuel injected, it wouldn't be. Like I said, I think it needs an idle air motor. It's probably 20 degrees this morning, if that. It's pretty cool. Go ahead and get the heat ready to blow. Oh, here we go. Now it's doing what it usually does. It usually runs for a few minutes and it'll die. Usually by the time I get back in the house, it dies. I got to put a radiator in this too. I got to order one next little bit. So far sounds good though. It's always done that for a long time. Had a bad idle to it. Alright, well, I'm going in and let this warm up for a little bit. Thanks for watching.